Hello, class. A lot of you have responded to um, what exactly is Study Island and why is it having such a profound effect on some of the lesson delivery that we are using in our high school mathematics courses. Well, here it is. When I log into my NC Ed account, it houses all of my information, my PowerSchool information, which is my student demographics, my classes, my semesters, everything about the students, everything about my classes. And it also houses Canvas. I can create a Canvas platform for delivery. But here is where you will find this new innovation that we were discussing. It is in the Clever icon. So I double click on that and I am brought to some resources that are provided by Clever for my school, Overhills High School. And I go down here to Study Island. Now, all these things are available to me. Khan Academy, all these things are Code Academy. All of those things are available to me. But we're exclusively talking about Study Island. And it is really awesome because what it does for us in the education, in our mathematics department, is when I go to my students, and let's say I want to look at this class right here, this is not my class. This is the Math 2 standards that we're going to use to give my students some practice problems. So what I do is I go right here to Class Manager, and here are my classes again. And I'm just going to select one of my classes, and it brings me to some already assignments that I have created. Now, this is how fast I can create a little quick test that can be a pre-test that we do in a group session. I can go in and assign specific students the problems if I want to see how they do it. I can even make this read the test aloud for my EC students. But for all intents and purposes right now, we're going to add an assignment at this page. And I want to do a group assignment. And then I want to create this assignment. And since I just taught systems, I'm going to title this Systems of Equations. And then I'm going to go next. And then it asks me to select the program, High School Mathematics Mastery and Math 2. And all of these things, all of these options come up that I can instantly use. And they're segregated in the manner by which we will be teaching the units. This was already preloaded and pre-done for us. So as I said, I just taught systems. Here is systems. So I'm going to select that topic and go down here and click next class. Well, I don't want to do anything else. I just want to use it for that class. Now I can use that same quiz or whatever I just selected for any of my classes, but I just want to use it for that. So I click save, and then I can literally from there start a session with my kids. And I click start a session, and this problem pops up. And as my students log in, I see them right here, and I collapse it, and I'll put this on the whiteboard, and we'll see who gets it correct. And then when we're all done, I click this, and it'll give my students an explanation. And we usually do this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is a quick example of Study Island. Hope that helped all of you understand why it is such a great innovation. Thank you.